Hi guys, welcome to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and this is a 2023 Subaru Forester. And in this video I'm going to show you the locations of the important labels on the car that give you some important information like your VIN number, your paint code, your color code, your tire information and your tire pressures. So we're going to start over the left hand side or the passenger side of the vehicle in this instance, and we're going to look at the VIN number where you can see it from the outside of the car. So just look down here in the windscreen, you can actually see a cutout in the black section, and this gives you a long number. So this is actually your VIN number. Now the VIN number is a unique code that's given to each car, which basically identifies that car, that model, that brand, and all the equipment that goes through it. So that's really handy to know when you need to order new parts or identify the car to a dealer or such. Now this number is replicated at a few locations around the car, and I'll show you those as we walk around. Next, we're going to go over to the driver's side of the vehicle, or the right hand side of the vehicle in this instance. Open up the door fully, just come down into the door jamb here, and this is actually our tyre size. So this is a 225 on a 60 profile with a 17-inch wheel, and it also gives you your speed rating for the tyre there as well, and then it gives you your pressures here. So it depends on if you've got 3 people and some luggage, so the pressures you should work to. If you are loading it up or towing something, you can change your pressures to suit the car as well. Now whilst I'm here, I'm just going to open up the bonnet. To do that, we're going to pull that lever here, and we'll actually come back to that last. But just before I go away from the driver's side of the vehicle, I'm just going to slide back the driver's door fully like that, or driver's seat I should say, and then inside here in the carpet, this is where the VIN number is actually stamped into the chassis. So this is for anti-tamper, so you can't just replace a sticker, it's actually stamped straight in. Now we're going to go over to the passenger side of the vehicle, and we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to open up the door fully. And this is probably one of our more useful labels. So just coming down here, you can actually see Subaru Corporation. It gives you your build dates. This is a September 2023 car. It gives you that VIN number there, so that obviously matches the windscreen and the other label. We've got some different weights here. Now these weights are wet weights, dry weights, and also the total towing weight as well, including the car. Then moving down, we've got our VIN number again, just replicated. Got a trim code there, so that's the level of trim the car has. We've got a color code, which this is a very metallic gray, and the color code is P8Y. And it gives you an option code, so these are the options that were selected for this car. It also tells you the engine type and the transmission type, so really good label to find. Now inside the bonnet there's not too much to be found, so I've already popped that as we see earlier, but I'm going to put my hand in just below the Subaru badge and push that lever there to the left, and then we're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. Once that's safe and secure, we can just have a look around the engine bay. Like I say, there's not too much under here when it comes to identification labels, but up here we do actually have the label that gives us our information about the refrigerant type found in our air conditioning system, which is actually this compressor just there. But other than that, there's not too much to be found around. We're really lucky on this car that you can actually see the engine number from the front, which is down there just below the oil dipstick there. We've got our engine number deep down there, but nice and easy to read, even without removing anything. So there we go, that's all the important information labels on a Subaru Forester from 2023. If you found that video interesting or helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.